Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, whitewater enthusiasts alike. My name is Tig. I'm gonna be your personal video boater for today. That's right, guys. We're traveling down the world's second oldest river, the New River, putting on here in Canard, West Virginia. I'm pumped up and ready to go. I hope you are too. We're gonna take a second here to meet our crews and our guys and see what we're working with today. First crew, James and his whitewater enthusiasts, making their way down the steps. How y'all feeling about today?
Good.
Yeah, y'all ready to do this? Yeah, whitewater. Yeah. How you feeling about today, James?
I'm feeling good, man.
Hell yeah. You ready to do this?
Straggler.
Yeah. Crew number 2, Ashley and her wacky whitewater warriors. How y'all feeling about today? Y'all ready to do this? We're going whitewater boat riding, guys. Yeah. Woohoo. You ready to do this, Ashley?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty. Yogi and his crew making their way towards the water. How y'all feeling about today? You excited? Yeah, this guy is. That's right, guys. Boat number 4, Puddin' and his crew making their way down the steps. Y'all excited for today? Yeah. Y'all ready to do this? Yeah. Looks like you got a good crew today to work with, Puddin'.
No, I don't even have to carry my boat. Hopefully I won't have to paddle my boat, and hopefully we'll maybe flip the boat. Let's get wild!
Yeah, woo! And last but not least, Marilyn and her crew, wacky whitewater warriors. Y'all ready to do this today? You guys excited?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going whitewater boat riding. Woo. Yeah.
Hey, Tig.
Yeah, let's do this. Now that we got an idea of who and what we are taking down this wet, wild, wonderful West Virginia river, let's boogie on down to our first attraction of the day. I'll meet you guys there. And here we are, folks. We made it down to our first rapid of the day. This is Upper Railroad. That's right, guys. On the front side of that railroad trestle, you got some nice hydraulic juicy holes up here. Gonna be punching right through the white fluffy foam pile of this one. Causing some big grits right there. You're gonna look out for the nasty ledge or pour up beside an E-tag. It's more of a rock today, but you still don't want to be messing around with it. Then you're gonna boogie on downstream and look out for Chicago and Detroit Rock down there, guys. You know that just ain't too good of places to be. So yeah, let's see how you guys do here. First rapid of the day, Upper Railroad. Let's get it on. There you have it, folks, crushing through your first big hit of the day here at Upper Railroad. Let's boogie on downstream the other side of that railroad trestle and see what we got in store for us downstream. Yeah, folks, down the other side of that railroad trestle, at what you guessed it is called Lower Railroad. That's right, this is where all our West Virginia style surfing action is going to happen. As you can see here, we got a little hole, you're going to be surfing it up. If you can make it all the way into the big hole, you'll get a real ride, guys. That's what you're wanting. So let's see how you guys do here. Second rapid, Lower Railroad. Let's get it out. Virginia style surfing action here at Lower Railroad. Let's boogie on downstream deep into the heart of the gorge where the rapids get bigger and the white water gets steeper. I'll see you there, folks. And here we are, folks, down deep for what you've all been waiting for. That's right, we have made it to the Keeney's Rapid. Some of the biggest whitewater we're going to have today. It starts upstream with Well Rock right there. You're going to bust around that, go through the big class 4 Lower Keeney's. Huge ocean-sized waves, holes, ledge holes, pour-overs, rocks, everything in there. You're going to be crushing right through. You're going to come on downstream, meet up with me at Lower Keeney's. That's right, guys. You're going to avoid the big, nasty meat grinder right here. Undercut rock scape sieves. As you can see, water flowing directly right through there, as you could not. That's why you're going to run right down here through Lower Keeney's. Your first class 5 big ocean-sized curling waves crashing down on you with some big river left-hand side rocks you don't want to wash up on, folks. That ain't going to cost for a good time if you do. So let's see how you guys do here. Let's get it on. Lower Keeney's. Puddin', puddin', puddin'. Here goes puddin'.
Paddle hits the water, it cuts like a knife. As through this class 5, I'm plainly risking my life. Oh, yeah. I don't talk about history, I don't know why it put you through the misery. You got a good joke for me, I got at least 23. Call me what you please. I'm your rap master captain. Go, 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 Scardio. Go, 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 Scardio. When we hit the last wave, time for me to spread my disease. Come on, all you ladies, come on with me. Down to the Lost Barrel Lounge, where we're gonna drink a bunch of.
There you have it, folks, telling out some of the biggest rapids we have out here to offer in the whole gorge. Let's boogie on downstream. It's gonna get a little more technical with Double Z. Yeah, we'll see you there. So y'all just get in the box, get in the box. Pulling you back out the box here for some more class 5 action. That's right, we have made it down to Double Z. Gotta make a zigzag maneuver up here around some rock, busting into that eddy up there with the huge undercut on the top river, right, busting through the reaction area right there, as you can see. You don't want to float on there and hit your roll right there. As you hit that, you're gonna come on and hit me up on Table Rock. You knock us in north of the water, we're going down to the Vulture of Eddie's Ore. We go on this side, folks, we're going to go to the huge house-sized boulder undercut rock called Butcher's Block. That's right, you know what's up with undercuts. They ain't good. They got little creatures under them. No carnage beast. We don't want to see no carnage beast. But oh my gosh, there's one right now. Oh my God, there's a carnage beast. Let's see how you guys do here, Double Z. Let's get it on.
First, we're gonna give you a helmet, a paddle, and a PFD. Bit of safety talk and time to go with me. Gonna run some big old rapids out here today. Love it. So he hit that first big wave and looks like he cowered up. more cowbell. When I'm done with you beavers, you'll be wearing $1 million divers. What does he mean by that? What does he mean by that? I don't know. I just don't know what he means by that.